All praises to the Most High God of Israel, and shalom to all of my beautiful Israelite brothers and sisters out there. We have to have a discussion. And what is driving this discussion? I'm going to be very honest. There's not many of you excited enough about what's going on this planet. Many of you are treating the events of what's happening on this planet very nonchalantly, and I don't get it. I don't understand. Do y'all remember a couple of weeks ago when I showed y'all the video that I took right outside of my house, right outside of my residence, the Chariots of Fire being in the air? And I'm going to be very honest. It annoyed me that so many of you treated that so nonchalantly. Like, I'm like, what? Hold on a second. Maybe it's me. Maybe it's because I did not show a good enough view of this here. Maybe there's some of you that doubted it. So what I'm going to do right now is get an extreme close-up. Take a look at this. Now, as you can clearly see, that is not a plane. It is not a plane, nor is it a drone. That is not anything human. What you are looking at is what Ezekiel explained in Ezekiel 1. That is what you are looking at. That is what your eyes are witnessing right now. Bring it back. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go right to the scriptures, and we're going to look in the scriptures and see exactly what that is. So family, please open your Bibles to the 1611 King James Version Bible with the Apocrypha. We're going to go to the book of Ezekiel chapter 1. Let's go down to verse 13. Ezekiel chapter 1, verse 13. Let's see if this matches what we just saw. As for the likeness of the living creatures, their appearance was like burning coals of fire, and like the appearance of lamps, it went up and down among the living creatures, and the fire was bright, and out of the fire went forth lightning. And the living creatures ran and returned as the appearance of a flash of lightning. That's what you just saw just now. That is what everyone is seeing all over the world as these, what the world calls orbs, but the Bible calls beings of light. Those luminaries in the air right now. And you are seeing it for yourself right here in this family. Right here. There's people that they can't even grab this stuff here. Here it is. We're showing you, and some of y'all just like, yeah, oh well. I'm sorry. That ain't the attitude to have with this, guys. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. It's not. For some of you, I don't know what it is, but you better get the fire up under your ass.